Hello, my name is Siddharth and in this video I will show you one of my project, that is preparation checker. So this has been made with the help of machine learning and Python and also with the help of Flask. So let me just execute. So it is running on local server. So this is the application. Here you can see that you can put a study hour per day, percentage of syllabus covered, whether the particular student is dropper or fresher, and what is the mode of study, that is coaching mode, self study or distance learning, and whether he is depressed or not depressed. So these are the input parameter. So here let us suppose the student is studying for just 4 hours per day. So just 4 hours per day, and after that the syllabus covered is 32%. Let's say he is a fresher and coaching mode is self study, not coaching mode is coaching, and this is he is not depressed. Now let us see the result. So you can see that the chance of cracking the examination is about 78%. So now let us increase our value. So this time we will do it for 10. That now the syllabus covered is 55% almost, and he is self-studying and he is depressed this time. And let us execute. So you can see that when we have increased the number of hour per day, then the chance of cracking the examination has also increase. So this is the app which can help or boost confidence of student if the student want to really check that what is his preparation and what is the syllabus covered, and then he can get the chance of cracking the examination. So in case if that particular student does not know about the syllabus covered, so he can also go here, not clear syllabus, and he can then calculate this syllabus. So he can just calculate this syllabus by let's suppose he has completed 12 chapter out of 30 chapter. So now he can check. So he can see that your expected percentage syllabus covered is 40%. So now just he can go back, and just here he can put the thing that 11 hour per day, and he has completed only 40% of the syllabus, and this time not sure, and get the result. So he is getting the output as 99% is the output of cracking the exam. So there are some restrictions as well, as a day is not more than 24 hours. So if any student will give the day as 25, then he will be getting a prompt like, as you can see that study hours should be less than 24. And also if he will be doing 12 hour and the inter percentage syllabus covered as more than 100%, then also he will get the error that syllabus covered should be less than 100. So this is one of my project. I have also added my profile here. So I will click here on my page and it will redirect me to my portfolio, and here you can see that it is telling me all about me. Here I have also added my project, the training certification I did, about my interest and everything. So if I will click here, then I can go on my project, training certification, about me, contact me, and my interest. So let us first click on my project. So now if we will click here on my project, then we can see that it has redirected us to the project that I did. And after that I can click here on training and certification, and it can tell us the training and certification I have done. And after that I can click here on about me, and it will tell us about all the detail about me and the proficiency in different type of subjects. So after that I can go here on contact me, and a form will appear where anyone can contact me. And after that there is one more thing, that is my interest and more. So here are some of my interests. So also I have deployed this application, that is preparation checker. let me go over there. So this preparation checker, as you can see that it is first, it is now in on local server, but I have also deployed it on Heroku server, so that I can share the link with my friend. So let us see that as well. So this is the link for that, the link that I have created. So if I will just go, so you can see that I have the same application is here. Here it is running on local server, and here it is running on the web server. So this is all about my project. I hope you will like it. Thank you.